What's up everybody, it's Jan here with another tutorial. Okay, so this video is on how to achieve the Soft Messy Bohemian Faux Locs. Products that I use is Oil Sheen Tropical Roots Foam, Wild Growth Edge Control Nail Glue, Crochet Stick, Clips, and Combs. The hair used is the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs 24 inches and the Freetress Braid Spring Twist 12 inches. Okay, to get started, I'm sectioning the hair. After sectioning off the hair, I'm adding edge control. And then I'm going to start to define my parts. These are medium-sized square parts. And then I begin to do my individual braids. Okay, so I continue doing individuals throughout the whole head. For the parting, I did the window method. The window method is great because it allows the locks to lie in between each pair of locks and it gives the hairstyle a fuller look. After finishing off the individuals, I moisturize her entire scalp using the Wild Growth. Okay, so the first step is to add the crochet locks to the braid. So you're going to find the hole. And you're going to crochet it through the root of the individual braid. And you're going to crochet the braid back through. Only the braid, not the lock and the braid, only the braid. After that, you're going to take the lock and begin twisting in the opposite direction of the lock. Then you're going to begin wrapping it around the individual braid. So you're covering the braid by wrapping the hair around it. Continue wrapping the hair until you cannot see the individual braid anymore, until it's completely hidden. Next, you're going to take the spring twist hair, the Freetress hair, and you're going to untwist it, and you're going to divide it into two sections. Take one of the pieces of the spring twist hair, and then you're going to crochet it through the root. You're going to take about 1 to 2 inches of the hair on the opposite side and wrap in the opposite direction. And you're going to take the hair on the other side and begin wrapping it in the other direction. You're not really wrapping it close. You're kind of like wrapping it in a free wrap, like not too uniform, because you're going for that messy bohemian look. So you're not going to really care about wrapping it too neat. When you're finished, when you get to the end, you're going to add nail glue. And there you have it, a messy, soft bohemian faux loc. And continue this out on each of the crochet locks. Continue that method until you get to the middle of the head. In the middle of the head, I did the same method, but at the end, after using the first piece of the spring twist, I'm going to add another piece. So in this clip, I'm going to demonstrate that. After I'm finished wrapping this, so after I've completed wrapping the individual braid, I'm going to take the spring twist hair, divide it into again, and I'm going to use both of those pieces in this section of the head. So I'm adding the first piece, wrapping it around the lock. And after you get past the real hair, the individual braid, you're going to do my lock method to secure the hair. So you're tying a little knot. Just one little knot, and then when you're finished, you're going to add the second piece of the spring twist. And when you wrap for about, a couple seconds, you're going to take that hair and do a knot as well to secure the second piece of hair. And then you're going to add nail glue when you get to the end. Continue out with the same method. Remember, the first 2 inches, the short end, wrap it in the opposite direction. And then take your longer piece and wrap it in the original direction of the lock, the crochet lock. Now I'm adding the second piece of the spring twist. Same method, wrap, tie your knot, secure the hair. So this is the second piece of spring twist. After I do my knot, I'm going to take my scissors and cut the spring twist in half. And I'm going to use that piece to finish off the lock. Add the hair. Do a knot to secure it. And continue wrapping the hair down. When you get to the end, you could leave the original wrap of the lock, the crochet lock, and you could begin wrapping the hair upward. So going back up with the wrap and then add nail glue. I use 3 pieces of spring twist because basically the more of the spring twist you add on the lock, the more the locks stretch. As I expressed, I want the front locks to line up with the back locks. So the more hair you add to it, the more it stretches and becomes longer. Adding my 3rd piece of spring twist. And there you have it, the final lock. So we're all complete. After, I'm going to add the tropical roots foam. And then I'm going to spray the locks with oil sheen. I use the coconut oil sheen. And they are complete, guys. There you have it. Nice, flowy, soft, messy Bohemian faux locks. And to finish them off, make sure you clean up your edges. Make them a little more sleek. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.